Hey everyone, welcome back to Target Teach Tutors, your go-to place for simple science breakdowns and smarter study sessions. If you are preparing for your GCSEs or just curious about how your body works without oxygen, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into anaerobic respiration. What it is, how it works, and why it matters. Let's break it down. You may already know about aerobic respiration, where glucose is broken down in the presence of oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water, and energy. But in anaerobic respiration, energy is produced without oxygen. The word anaerobic literally means no air, where an means without and aerobic refers to oxygen. This process usually happens during short bursts of intense activity when your muscle need energy quickly but there is not enough oxygen available. Anaerobic respiration produces less energy than aerobic respiration, but it happens faster. And instead of water and carbon dioxide, it produces a waste product called lactic acid, which can lead to muscle fatigue. Aerobic respiration is the normal way our body produces energy, relying on the continuous cooperation between the respiratory and circulatory systems. It provides a steady supply of energy for our everyday body functions without interruption. Oxygen and glucose are delivered to the mitochondria by the circulatory system where aerobic respiration takes place efficiently. This process works smoothly when the body is at rest or performing regular moderate activity. However, during intense short breaks of activity or any sudden physical exertion that demands more energy than usual, anaerobic respiration kicks in to meet those extra energy demands where there isn't enough oxygen available. In short, anaerobic respiration happens when there is little or no oxygen available, like during intense exercise or in certain microorganisms. Equations in humans. Glucose produces lactic acid plus energy. This process is faster than aerobic respiration but way less efficient. It produces only about 1/19 of the energy compared to the aerobic respiration. What happens when anaerobic respiration occurs in microorganisms? Some microorganisms like yeast also respire anaerobically. But instead of lactic acid, they produce ethanol and carbon dioxide, a process called fermentation. This is super useful in industries like making bread and brewing alcohol. Anaerobic respiration in yeast. Glucose produces ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. What's the catch? Lactic acid builds up in your muscles during anaerobic respiration. This causes muscle fatigue and sometimes that burning sensation after a workout. To get rid of it, your body needs extra oxygen. This is called oxygen debt, and it is why you breathe heavily after exercise. It's a time to quick recap. Anaerobic means without oxygen, produces less energy than aerobic respiration, creates lactic acids in humans or ethanol plus carbon dioxide in yeast, leads to oxygen debt and muscle fatigue. That's for today's lesson on anaerobic respiration. If this has helped you understand it better, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Target Teach Tutors for more lessons. Drop your questions or topics you want covered next in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.